Hello friends, how are you doing? I hope everyone will be fine. So friends, I am from Jobs in London, UK from Facebook page and londonclassified.org. So guys, in this video I will show you how to get jobs in London and how to apply. So it's very easy and simple process. So this time now I am showing today's latest job. So guys, this is new and updated job, laboratory assistant jobs in London. So let's check out the details and requirement for the job. Laboratory assistant required in London. Specialists MAD are working alongside a pathology lab based in London in search for a number of medical laboratory assistants. This laboratory offers a diverse range of pathological testing, giving the right candidate exposure to multiple areas of testing. The role will include duties such as RNA extraction, sample separation and preparation, maintenance, troubleshooting lab instrumentation, clinical approval of results, stock control and ordering of necessary supplies. To be considered for this role, you must the desire to work in lab setting, high level of verbal and written communication skills, be reliable, active team player, can-do attitude. In return, coupled to exposure to multiple disciplinaries as previously mentioned, you will be offered a hourly rate on site parking and company events. Please get in touch to discuss in more details, or feel free to hit the apply new button and one of our recruitment consultants will be in touch. So guys, these are the details and requirement for the job. So laboratory assistant required in London. So guys, if anyone interested in this job, so you can easily apply and send your updated CV by use this link. So guys, you must have a previous experience in relevant field and you must be graduate in relevant subject, then you can eligible for this job and you can easily apply. So guys, salary and benefit not mentioned in the details, so it will be discussed at the time of interview. So guys, I hope you understand. So guys, this link is very helpful for you. So if anyone who can search more jobs related to your criteria and experience, so you can visit our website. In this website, daily basis job update and many other categories job available in the website, so you can easily visit and search jobs and you can easily apply. So first of all, you will watch this video. This video is very helpful for you to apply any job. So guys, this link given in the video description on YouTube page, so you can easily visit and directly apply for the job. So guys, I hope you understand these step and process, so it's very easy. So guys, if you like this video, please like, share and comment and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for new updated video notification. So guys, thank you. Thanks for watching.